Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G73, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications on this Motorola. You need to begin by opening Settings. In them, scroll down just a bit and tap on Notifications. Following that, select App Settings at the top and click on Most Recent. Then select the best option for you from the list of available ones. I will go with Most Frequent. Lastly, just click on the switcher next to one of your apps from which you want to block notifications, like Google Play Store. You can switch them back on by clicking on the same, now gray one. You can also just click on one of your apps over here and manage all notifications thanks to this switcher next to all Google Play Store notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!